How to transfer money from Tymebank to Capitec. So the first step is to simply log in. So you're gonna have to simply open the Tymebank app and then simply log in into your account. Then from the main menu, choose the option to send money. Now you're gonna have to select the option to send money to another bank account. Now here is the most important part. So you're gonna have to enter the Capitec account number, the account holder's name, and the amount you want to transfer. So in this case, if you want to transfer to your Capitec account, you're gonna have to enter your personal Capitec account number and your name and the amount of money that you want to transfer, and then simply review and confirm the transaction, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.